Tropical rainforests are one of the Earth's most important ecosystems. Home to more than half the world's plant and animal species, they also produce 1/5 of the whole planet's fresh water. The stewards of these great lands for many thousands of years have been the many different indigenous peoples who live within these tropical forests. They and their ancestors have always lived in harmony with nature, relying on it, respecting it, and protecting it. The pressures of the modern age are destroying this precious land. Logging, mining, and extractive industries have been destroying the rainforests for decades. Unregulated oil production in Ecuador's Amazon has turned a huge area into the world's most contaminated industrial site. More than 18 billion gallons of toxic waste has been spilled into the soil, rivers, and streams, contaminating water supplies and creating a devastating health crisis for the people who live there. In Ecuador, we're working closely with indigenous communities. Our goal to provide a sustainable way of supplying clean, potable water. Over 600 rainwater filters and tanks have already been built, with 500 more ready and installed by the end of 2014. Our work has reached across 3 continents in 23 countries. The Rainforest Fund works hard to support indigenous peoples' human rights so that they may shape their own destinies for generations to come.